Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you all know that I'm Tanya Singla. So today's topic of discussion is labeling after doing packaging and branding. It's an important function of product mix which we have labeling. So before studying labeling, we have to study about label. What is label? A label is an informative tag sticker attached to the product or its package. The label can either be a piece of paper, printed metal, imprinted metal, leather, or seal. What are our label? So as you can see, as it's written here, the label is an informative tag, wrapper, or a seal attached to a product or a package of a product. Now we will study what is labeling. Labeling is another significant mean of product identification like branding, packaging, and labeling is the act of attracting or tagging label of the product. Package and the label should be give by accurate and up-to-date information about the content and necessary guidance regarding the use of the product. If you didn't yet subscribe my channel, so please do it fast, and for subscription you have to press on the bell icon. So this is an example of labeling in which we have quantity we have information about the product. It's another example of labeling. Content of good label. To be a good label, we have some contents which we will study. Brand name of the product. For a good label, we are required to write brand name of the product on the label. Trademark of the company, which is registered, which is in the form of registration. Registered होता है जो. Name and address of the manufacturer, where the product is manufactured. Weight and measures. We are required to write weight and measure so that no adulteration can be made by the seller. Direction for use of the product, because many times the buyer is unknown about the usage of the product, so we are required. It's our moral duty to know our customer about their products. Maximum retail price, we are required to write MRP so that the seller cannot charge more than its maximum retail price, and no unfair practices is done on by the seller. Date of packing, it's an important that we are required to write date of packing, because many products are present in the market which have their expiry date which get expired after 2 months, or we can say in a days, in a week, like example of milk, right? On this product we are essentially required date of packing and date of expiry, that when the product will be expired. Guidelines, there should be guidelines of the product on good label. Precautionary measure, we are required to write precautionary measure on a label so that it can make a good label. Now we will study type of label. We have 4 type of label: brand label, grade label, descriptive label, and combination label. So brand label. Such a label contains only the brand name or brand mark of the product. It does not give any other information regarding the product. Every manufacturer uses it, such as LG, BPL, Sony, Lakme, Pond, Reliance, Godrej, Tata, Oneida, Videocon, which show their brand label only. They didn't provide anything on their label. Grade label. When a manufacturer produces many types of product, he uses grade label to describe the type of product. Grade labels specify the quality of standard of the product, such as A grade, fancy, imported, large, medium, small, deluxe model, king size, euro, leaf tea, dust tea bags, pure desi ghee, double refined oil, etc. Grade label are simple and small in size. The main purpose of grade label is to identify the type of product to the middleman and consumer. In USA, there is a Fair Packaging and Labeling Act 1966 to ensure fair packaging and labeling in order to protect the interest of the consumer. This is known as grade label. Now descriptive label. These labels are descriptive in nature. They are almost illustrative. Descriptive label provide full information to consumer about the product and the producer. It indicates objective information regarding content, uses, precaution, quantity, quality, date of manufacturing, date of expiry, price, and other features of the product. Like many syrups provide label indicate. Now combination label. 3 labels are known as combination level. Those have the quality of brand level, grade level, and descriptive level comes under combination levels. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Stars.